Hi everyone, Mike McCormick here out in front of the Modern Muscle Cars showroom in Central Florida. I've got a very special car here today. This is a 2019 Mustang GT Bullitt Edition, and this is a one-owner car. It only has 7,500 miles on it. It's been well cared for and pampered, and this one is even more special because under the hood is a Whipple supercharger. This car is putting down 775 horsepower, which is at the flywheel, so well over 700 at the rear wheels. 6-speed manual, really nice all digital dash. I really like that digital dash. You can customize it. Really nice car. It started out, all of these Bullitts are premiums to start with. So this particular one is the performance package, which comes with a 373 gears. It has Magna Ride and sport track mode. You can change the exhaust note. Totally cool car all the way around, and it's super fast. It's amazing to me how closely the sound resembles that original '68 Bullitt Mustang from the movie. What an awesome car. Come down and take this for a spin yourself. 775 horsepower, this is screaming fast, and it's ready to go here. If you need shipping, you're not able to come down, we can handle all that for you. More information and more pictures and on our website at ocalamuscle.com.